Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an amazing tutorial for you on how to set up a SOCKS5 server on the HTTP Tunnel app. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful guides. Now let's dive right into it. First, head over to your home screen and open any web browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and tap on it. Once the site loads, you'll see the home page. In the top right corner, there's a menu icon. Tap on that. A list of options will appear, and from there, scroll down until you find SOCKS5 Server. Tap on it, and you'll be redirected to a new page that shows a list of SOCKS5 server options. Now, pick any server from the list that suits your preference. Copy its IP address and port number to your clipboard. With that done, it's time to move on to the HTTP Tunnel app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can grab it directly from the Play Store. If it's not available there, open your browser, search for SSH/SSL. Tap on the official website, and from the homepage menu, select Free VPN. There you'll find the HTTP Tunnel app available for download. Install it on your device. Once the app is ready, open it up. On the homepage, tap the plus button at the top to expand the menu. From the list, select SOCKS. A new page will open where you'll need to fill in the details. Start by entering a server name of your choice, then paste the IP address and port number you copied earlier. Once that's done, hit Save. You'll now see your server added to the list. Tap the play button to connect, and within just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast and stable internet connection using SOCKS5 on HTTP Tunnel. And that's it! You've successfully set up SOCKS5 on HTTP Tunnel. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.